Are you learning sums and sequences and finding the notation a bit difficult? This is what this video is about. Pause the video before each question if you like, so you can have a go on your own. Okay, I'm just going to go for it. It's telling me to start with n equals 3, and then I have to square it, because that's what the instruction says here. And this thing here is the Greek letter sigma, and that means sum or add. So let's just start adding them together. Plus 5 squared, plus 6 squared, plus... Oh wait, I've gone too far. Quick, undo. I was supposed to stop at 5, because that's telling me to stop. That's the last one. Okay, there we go. And then I could just work that out. So that'd be 9 plus 16 plus 25, which is whatever that is. Okay, let's do the next question. Okay, well it's telling me to start at q equals 5. So I'll do 5 plus 1 because I'm following the instruction. I write an add sign because it's a sum. And then I do 6 plus 1. And then I do an add sign. Oh no, I don't because that's the last one. Okay, so that's, what's that? 6 plus 7, which is whatever that is. Let's do the next one. Okay, it's telling me to start at minus 3. So that'd be 3 times minus 3 plus 2 times minus 3. 2 times minus 2 because I'm going to just keep increasing. Right, anybody spot my terrible mistakes here? Let's start again. So 3 times minus 3. I'm going too fast. And then it's 3 times whatever the next number is, which would be minus 2. Plus 3 times whatever the next number is, which would be minus 1. Plus 3 times whatever the next number is, and so on. Usefully, I'm just going to be a bit lazy here. This is something that is very useful if you're doing much more advanced questions. I'm going to observe these cancel. I'm not saving much work here, but it would save a lot of work if it was a more advanced question. And that's just minus 9 because all the others cancelled. Let's have a go at the next question. Okay, so I do 5 times 1 plus 2 plus 5. I'm not going too fast after my mistake last time. Plus, do I stop yet? Yes, I do stop because I've hit my last number that I'm supposed to be doing. So I'm just going to double check because of the mistake I made earlier. I'm glad I made that mistake because this is really demonstrating what the big problem I think is with sums, which is there's so many letters and the stuff flying around, it's easy to make mistakes. Yeah, that's the number that's supposed to be changing. All looks good. And then I could just work this out, so that would be like 7 plus 12 plus 17, which equals whatever that is. Let's do the next one. Oh, this is very interesting. Okay, when k equals 3, we have to write this down, which is just 20. And then when k equals 4, we have to write it down again. And then when k equals 5, we have to write it down again, and that's it, because we've hit the end. Which makes 60. Now, does that look weird? Yes. Are we following the instructions correctly? Yes. Is that the correct answer? Yes. I'm going to be lazy. I'm going to say that's just 10 squared, which is 100. Why? Because what if that was a 9 instead? Well, then it would just be nothing, because they'd completely cancel. But the 10, that's like you're summing up to 9, and then you're going, oh, just do 10 as well, which means that all of the others just cancel. If that hasn't made sense yet, that's the end of the video, by the way. But in case that hasn't made sense, I'm just going to explain it again more clearly. So this one is 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus 9 squared plus 10 squared, and then in a different colour I'll do the other one. That's 1 squared plus 2 squared plus 3 squared plus plus 9 squared. Okay, and we are taking away the bottom one. So these cancel, these cancel, these cancel, and they all cancel, and we just get left with the 10 squared. Let's do our classic here. So we're just left with 10 squared, which equals 100. There we go. Hopefully that was helpful. Thanks for watching.